Hello, mic test. Hello. Mag-hot kaya ako. Ay, nga pala. Hello, mic test. Hello. Magsasalita pala dapat. Hello, mic test. It's on. It's on. Hey, hello everyone. Yan. Okay, medyo madilim. Pero, andito kami sa Bali. And, very quickly, I'd like to share. This is not a video that's gonna say kung ano yung mga steps to go to Bali or ano yung mga kailangang requirements whatsoever. Kung yun yung hinahanap nyo, medyo hanap na lang kayo ng ibang video. Pero pwede naman kung meron kayong questions whatsoever. We went to Bali March of 2023. Actually, Feb 27 to March 5. So, kung meron kaming any maitutulong sa inyo in terms of answering a question whatsoever, pwede naman, try natin mag-help. But, yun nga, this video is more of about mindset shifts or about mindsets, kung paano nga ba mas may enjoy ang isang travel. No? So, it's our day 5 ngayon or day 6 dito sa bansang to, and the experience so far is happy naman and fun and good kasi medyo summer na summer yung vibe, mainit po talaga. So sa mga pupunta dito, magdala po talaga kayo ng sunscreen and hat and fan, mga portable fan, ganyan. And yeah, so we went here with our friends. Ano kami, itong long-term friendships na talaga namin itong mga to. So we're a group of 6 people, and then meron kami kasamang baby. So friends namin ni Bri. And yun, aside from sa mga information na generic, gusto ko lang i-share kung ano yung mga mindset shifts na naka-help para mas ma-enjoy ang isang trip or travel with friends. So, I guess the first one that I'd say would be yung knowing or believing that there is no 100% perfect plan in a travel. So, kaya nandun talaga dapat yung willingness natin to adjust. Kasi ang daming pangyayari na out of our control. So, for example, sa amin, first day pa lang namin dito, yung baggage namin na delay ng around more than 6 hours. And dahil kasi nagkaroon kami ng connecting flight to SG and then from SG to Denpasar, Bali. We needed to do that kasi to claim some voucher from Jetstar. And then, yun yung nangyari, na-delay yung baggage namin. So, alam mo yun, may plano na sana kami ng afternoon of that day. Kaso hindi na namin natuloy kasi nga yung baggage namin wala. And kailangan pa namin balikan sa airport. So, yung mga ganong klase ng experiences would remind us na those things are not within our control anymore. And pwede natin isipin na nakakasira naman ng araw or whatsoever. But, if we remember that we are not the order maker in our lives, so probably that situation or that scenario, that experience is still something that I don't know kung maaring may maidudulot siyang kabutihan, pero kung iisipin mo na you'll be willing to adjust to different plans, different changes, mas magiging smooth yung travel mo. Kasi wala talagang 100% na mag-go according to your plans. And then, bonus na lang doon if you have friends with you who are willing also to adjust their plans or kumbaga hindi super structured, mas flexible, mas fun, mas masaya kasi mas ma-enjoy niyo yung moment. And then, the next thing that I'd like to say is yung pag nagta-travel, yung if you know that God is with you in that travel, you are sure and you can be confident that things will go well pa rin eventually. Like, everything will work for the good of those who love God, sabi nga sa isang verse sa Bible. And kung iisipin natin na wala namang problemang hindi masosolusyonan, everything will be lighter. And kung meron na tayong ma-experience or ma-encounter na mga bump in the road, we will know that may sosolusyonan pa rin yun, and that everything will still go well for the children of God, for God's people, wherever they are in the world. And lastly, would be yung mindset of savoring and cherishing the fleeting. So, ito kasi habang nandito kami sa travel na to, na nakikinig ako ng isang message, YouTube, nasa YouTube yun actually, isang preaching ni Pastor John Piper, and it says there na ang title nun is Don't Waste Your Life, and ililink ko na lang rin siya sa baba para mapakinggan nyo kung curious kayo. Pero sabi kasi doon, let's not buy the idea na ang goal ng life is to have like a retirement na parang katulad ng na-experience namin dito. Yung kasi alam nyo ba, halos dito sa hotel kung saan kami last na nagstay, karamihan talaga ng nagstay dito is yung mga parang nasa retirement age na sila, and kasama siguro na yung iba yung mga apo nila, ganyan. And minsan no, parang pwede natin isipin na, ay, iyan yung goal kong retirement, yung magta-travel na lang ako, and beach or fun times lang. And then in the video that kung saan nag-preach si Pastor John Piper, share niya doon na wag nating iba yung idea na yun yung i-goal lang natin sa life. Kaya yung title niya is Don't Waste Your Life. And then the phrase that really struck me during the travel is yung phrase na only what's done for Christ will last. So yun, actually, to be honest, meron nga akong na-feel na konting guilt somehow, na parang only what's done for Christ will last, and is this something that's being done for Christ? Parang ganyan, na parang nag-prevent sa akin to enjoy it. Pero tinuruan ako ng Lord na this is still a gift from Him, being able to travel, going to a different place, experiencing a different culture, and it's still a gift from Him, and it doesn't happen naman every day or every month of the year. So it's still fleeting. It's just something that hindi maglalast, and then we can proceed to continually doing things that are for Christ talaga. So, yun. So, kaya i-enjoy lang natin yung fleeting and cherish lang natin siya, kasi hindi naman to everyday, and then it is also a gift from the Lord na yun. So, thankful na lang din ako sa Lord na meron akong husband na mahilig mag-travel, na siya talaga yung nagpupush namin mag-travel, kaya nakakapunta ako sa mga ganitong places. Yun. But, yun, we pray na every one of us, kahit na nasan tayo, kahit na nag-travel tayo o hindi tayo nag-travel, is that we'll be able to do God's will in our lives, and that let's remember na only what's done for Christ will last. So yun, that's a quick chika about this trip. And yeah, if you have any questions, ewan ko naman kung magkaka-question kayo, no? Pero ayun lang. Thank you for watching. Bye 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 bye.